to catch it, and it will just fall in place on its own. Oh, it blinked out. We'll give her a shot one more time. The solution, oh, some hair got on there. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have something a little bit different. It's eye contact color. You know, contacts with a little bit of color. Have you guys ever heard of Just for Kira? It is a really great color contact temporary, lens that can last for a couple months. And today's video, I'm going to talk about the wear and tear and how to properly apply them in your eye and clean them, and how magical it makes me look and exotic. As you see here, this is the kit. That is the durable box that one contact lens comes in. And just look at that, the little case is so adorable. Yes, you need to get the solution. All right, show you guys what it looks like inside the box, all the different great colors I have. I love the iridescent packaging. It's very nice, high end. Lost in your eyes. So cool. First, I always wash my hands. I make sure they're super, super clean. My fingernails, everything, because we're going to be using that when we clean the contacts. So today I'm going to be cleaning the green, Norko Green. And it's a certain way to open this package, you guys. It's gonna have like a little indent part right here. You're just gonna put your nail in there and it's gonna pull back. And like I said, it's just one contact gonna be in there. It's gonna look like this. Make for sure it hasn't been open or anything. Make sure it's properly sealed. And usually it is. This is a great company to get temporary colored contacts from. So again, we'll do the same to this. Just push back. Just for Kira. I love her packaging. I love her contacts. It just gives me the best look, right? So this one is protected. The solution is in there. Everything looks good. I already rinsed out my case. It comes with the actual nice case, but I just like to rinse it out just in case. So it's all ready to go. These two are like this. My solution's right here. And now we're going to clean them and have them sit in the solution. So you just peel it open like this. No special way to open it. And I just pour it with the solution that was in on my palm of my finger. You see that? I'm gonna stir this up a little bit. And then I'm just gonna pour it like this, some more, and go in a circular motion. You see the contact is on my finger like this, circular motion, cleaning it properly. And now I'm going to place it in the contact holder with some new solution. Fill it all the way up to the rim. And next, I'm gonna do the same thing to this one. And that's how I clean my colored contacts, to make them last longer, you know what I mean? And to protect my eyes and everything all good. Now you can tear the contacts, so be very gentle if you have a long fingernails. Like this, circular motion a couple times. The contact will flip over on its own, it's fine. You just cleaning it. And we're gonna place it back in the fresh new container, and with some solution. Make sure the solution is exactly right on top of the contact, so the contact's not floating on the top. Make sure it sinks to the bottom, because if the solution doesn't hit the whole contact, the area that it doesn't hit will be very hard, and it can actually ruin your contact lens. So now that's secured, we will keep her in there. I've been wanting to wear, they're called like blue gray. Let's see if I have the package of those. They're right here. I only had them on one time. Okay, Norko Gray. That's what I'm gonna put on right now, you guys, the Norko Gray. So I'm gonna properly clean them. Guys, this is about $7. They had buy one, get the second one half off. Again, it says do not use it if it's, you know, the top wasn't properly, you know, closed and stuff like that. You can use any eye solution. I recommend just use a mild one. Sometimes when they say, you know, 3 drops, 2 drops, a couple days a week, that you bought the wrong one, and those come smaller. Those are to really soften up the lens, and I don't think about investing like those. Usually they're about $15 to $20. Those are for like real contact lens subscriptions, you know, because those cost like hundreds and hundreds of dollars to get it prescribed. So it's no special way to get it out of there. Some people actually use this, you know, you just pinch it, place it again, shake again, apply it on there a lot, circle it. We're cleaning it right now. It's looking really good. I see a little glitter that just came off. Good, good, good. Now, applying these with makeup and stuff already on your eye, I guess you just got to be a pro. Like, as you see, I have just a little bit of foundation on and eyebrow makeup, but no eye makeup whatsoever, no grease, no oil on my face, around my eye, just in case, you know what I mean? I'm going to try to like do all that later. Some people like to apply contacts at the very end, and if you have a tear, it's going to like see this big chunk of like, you know, makeup coming down your face. So it's best, I think, to wait. Ooh, another piece of little glitter. That's strange. I guess I had a lot of glitter makeup last time. Okay, it's looking really good. I'm gonna place her on the tip. Sometimes I like to just put like a little bit of solution in it still. I don't know, I'm weird. Some people don't, but I put a little bit of solution and my fingertip to hold this right here. This, and I go just right in there. I move the eyes side to side sometimes. So you see, I'm having a hard time, but let's clean her again. Some hair got on there. We don't want it to be on the, all right, so we clean her again. Give her another shot in the eye. Oh, she does not want to get in there right tonight now. All right. I think she's gonna stay in there this time. Let's see. Something about when I open my mouth, I don't know, I feel like that helps. All right, you see those eyes, you guys? It fit really well. It's not red at all. It's no irritation. I think we're good. I just rinsed my hands off again. You just really want to make sure your hands are always clean when you're dealing with something with your eye. This one's ready to go, so let's pop her in there. I love, love, love the gray. I love the gray, guys. So if you go on the website, that is the gray one. That's the price. That's the package that I have. And that is the color that's in my eye. So yes, yes, look at her. She doesn't move when I blink like that. I got the large size. I just think my eyes are bigger. Yeah, I don't know how you measure that. Go to an eye doctor or something. The contact, put it in the center. Gonna rinse and clean her. Circular motion. It's good to go. Let's see. Now, if you put in your eye and it feels very uncomfortable, kind of like the contact, it could be like inside out, like you need to pop it and put it on the other direction or the other eye. Sometimes, it's very rare, but that can happen. I'm gonna grab that right. Ah, I feel so excited. So that's them close up. Just wanted you guys to get a full, good close view of how gorgeous they are. There's some hair. See, that hair could have just fell right in there. No need to do filters when you can get color contacts. You know what I'm saying? Pretty with these on. Look at that, you guys. Love it. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this little fast tutorial video of how to put these wonderful, colorful contacts in your eye. Now you feel more comfortable applying them in your eye. Of course, you could put sunglasses, apply your makeup on. If they still feel irritated or anything like that, take it out, clean them again, put them back in, because it could be just a fine piece of linen or hair or whatever, a glitter or something still on the contacts. So yeah, put your color contacts in and get them from Just for Kira. There's her information right there. You guys can definitely check out all her wonderful color contacts on her website. She has a big selection of wonderful colors. And yes, the shipping was very fast. I mean, it took like less than 4 business days. So shipping is fast. You get exactly what you see on the website. I like that. That's definitely a plus. And she has a Instagram, you guys. So look at her Instagram too. You will see more like different colors if you're not for sure, because it is overwhelming and they do have so many amazing colors. So check it out, and please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, because I have on my channel some wonderful, nice new items and things that I'm going to review. So back to the moon and stars. Peace, love, harmony, respect. I think they look lovely. They feel great. The only thing, like if you live in a place that's really windy with a lot of dirt and dust, definitely wear some kind of sunglasses, like to protect them for a little bit until you're ready to look fly. But other than that, get you some color contacts, you guys, from Just for Kira. They feel amazing in my eye. I don't feel any irritation, and I can't wait to try all the other great colors I have. Do you guys like it? I want to know. Leave the comments down below if you feel like this is really nice on me. Does it make me look more exotic? I'm silly.